We're fighting a war to protect Nassau. A war in which our most effective weapon is the fear that we can instill in our enemies. The strong among us must stand together and face it. What we're doing here, sitting on Spain's gold on England's island, demands a response.
My name is Woods Rogers, and I am the next governor of Nassau, assuming I can subdue her. That is where you come in.
Fire!
The English flag will burn, and a second pirate republic will be born.
Jack, what did you do? To rule Nassau, you must know her. And you don't.
I'm through seeking anything from England, except her departure from my island.
If you insist on making me your villain, I'll play the part.
I will come back and lay claim to what I am owed. England took my home. I can't walk away. And you? I come on behalf of Captain Flint.